If you want to change app permissions on Samsung Galaxy S26, we have two main ways to do so. The first method is to open Settings. Then over here we can scroll down and you should be able to find Security and Privacy. In Security and Privacy, we can go to, for example, permissions used in the last 24 hours, or you can go to more privacy settings, and then in here we can find the permission manager. Now you should be able to choose the permission that you want to manage. So let's say we're gonna use the microphone. And of course, now we should be able to see all these apps that are allowed to use the microphone all the time, only while these apps are in use, or not allowed at all. If you tap on any of these apps, then of course you can manage these permissions for the specific app. And the second way to adjust permissions is by going to Apps in the settings. So we need to keep scrolling down, and then over here we have Apps. Next, you should be able to choose the app for which you want to adjust permissions. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. Over here, we're going to go to permissions, and then you can see all of these permissions that can be granted for that app. And then over here, you can decide if the selected permission should be granted or not for that app. Leave a like and subscribe.